Hi again, everybody. Monday morning, September 26, 2022. Here's the 30-minute Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. You can see we just had this blue line spike. The blue line peak corresponded to this overnight high in the market. Came in the 3 to 3:30 half-hour frame. We had downward pressure last week on the green line. As we got below -10, the market tracked downward along with the green line tracking downwards. Remember, between the 10 lines can be relatively neutral. So now today we're back inside the 10s. We had this upward move because of the uh, late night Friday and Saturday period not being in the data here. But we got a period now where we're kind of sideways, like the green line is sideways. We should move into a downward trend here at about 8 o'clock. That's going to last till early morning Tuesday around 2 a.m. and then we're going to start to see a shift toward upward pressure. So we've got upward pressure starting about 8:50 tomorrow. Both lines come together for the rest of the day, and then on the evening session at 1800 we get the blue line spike peak here about 1830 or so, and then that's heading down and we're sideways on the green line, but then we have upward pressure through Wednesday and we break above the +10 line. Even though we're relatively flat and not really moving with much authority, uh, this is going to give us a slight upward bias till it peaks out on the 29th at about 5:30 in the morning. The other blue line spikes on the 28th. We've got this spike here at about 220. Then on the 29th we've got a significant spike low at about 4:30 a.m. And then we get another one outside the 10 line here about 13:30. So we've got that downdrift, slight downdrift around the 10 line into late Thursday or Thursday evening. After this peak in the afternoon, we've got a slight downdraft on the green line and then upward pressure from Friday morning about 2 a.m. Then we have upward pressure through Friday. This is the strongest bullish point of the week is right here as we go into Friday morning when we break above the 10 line, the +10 line. We've got a little bit of that on Thursday when it moves out of there early Thursday morning, let's call it, and then it pressure peaks between let's just call it 5 and 6:30 a.m. So that's a look at the Astro Excel forecast for the week. We'll be back again tomorrow and put out some time points.